Hello students, in this video I am going to explain what is chemical reaction and its characteristics. Okay. The chapter name is Chemical Reactions and Equations. First, you should try to understand what is chemical reaction. When we talk about a chemical reaction is a chemical change in which new substance is formed with entirely different properties. Okay, chemical reaction. Try to understand chemical reaction. Okay, what is the definition? You can write. It is a type. It is a chemical change. It is a chemical change in which new substances are formed. New substances are formed. Okay, with entirely different properties. Okay, with different properties. For example, okay, burning of magnesium. Magnesium is available in the form of ribbon, children. When you burn the magnesium in the presence of oxygen, it will give you magnesium oxide. Okay, so example you can write a burning of magnesium. Burning of magnesium. Okay, so magnesium symbol is what? Mg. Burns with oxygen. It gives you what? A magnesium oxide, MgO, magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is a water, white powder. Okay, after burning which you will get magnesium oxide, magnesium oxide. Okay, magnesium burns with oxygen gives you magnesium oxide. Similarly, burning of carbon, coal. You have seen coal, right? Once you burn the coal, coal react with oxygen gives you what? Carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is see the left hand side which is combining the substances which is combined is called as a reactant, and the new substance which is formed is called as product. Generally, reactants are written on the left hand side, product on the right hand side. What is reactant? Reactants are the substances which are combined during the chemical process or chemical reaction, that is the reactant. And what is product? Product is a substance which is formed during a chemical reaction. Is it clear? So this is about chemical reactions. Now we will see the characteristics of chemical reaction. Okay. Now we will see the characteristics of a chemical reaction. This is very important. They may ask for 2 marks for 10th standard CBSE or SSLC. Okay. First characteristic is what? Change in a state. Change in a state. See children, whenever during a chemical process there is a change in a state, means either solid to liquid or liquid to gas, then we can say there is a chemical reaction. Okay, you can take one example, electrolysis of water. Once you take water which is in liquid state, once you do the electrolysis or pass electric current through this, okay, that is the procedure is called as electrolysis. It gives you what? Hydrogen and oxygen gas. So you can see L stands for liquid, liquid change into gas, oxygen gas and hydrogen gas. Next is what? The change in color. Next characteristic is change in color. Children, if during a process there is a change in color, then we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place. Let's take one example. You prepare a solution of copper sulfate, children. Okay, copper sulfate is generally blue color. Whenever it reacts with iron filings, okay, it gives you what? FeSO4 plus Cu. This is what? Aqueous only. This is a green color solution. Iron sulfate is what? A green color solution. So copper sulfate color will change upon mixing with iron, green color. Okay, that is iron sulfate. Next is what? Change in temperature. Third characteristic is what? Change in temperature. If during a process there is a change in temperature, either temperature is increased or decreased, then we can say chemical reaction has taken place. For example, you can say burning of coal. C plus O2 gives you what? CO2 plus heat. Okay. Next, we have a evolution of a gas. Fourth characteristic is what? Evolution of a gas. If during a process a gas is evolved, then it is said to be a chemical reaction. Let's take one example. Reaction of zinc with H2SO4. Dilute H2SO4. Dilute sulfuric acid. Whenever zinc react with sulfuric acid, it gives you what? Zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. As it is a gas, it will go up, rise up. Okay. And the last characteristic is what? Formation of a precipitate. Formation of a precipitate. If during a what do you mean precipitate? Precipitate is nothing but a insoluble solid. Okay, you take one reaction, barium chloride, BaCl2 aqueous solution when react with a sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 aqueous. Aqueous means what? Just water solution. Okay, mixed with water. It gives you what? A white precipitate of barium sulfate, BaSO4. White PPT is obtained, children. We will discuss this during the precipitation reaction also, plus twice of NaCl aqueous is obtained. Okay, so this is, there are 5 characteristics of chemical reaction: change in state, change in color, change in temperature, evolution of a gas, and formation of a precipitate. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about the different types of reaction. Okay, thank you.